So I'm out here at French Prairie Gardens and I'm with Stacy. And Stacy, we're going to be talking about this great event called Ladies Night that you guys have.
Oh yeah, it's our ladies only spring plant show and tell. And it happens one time a year. It's always the fourth Thursday of March. And we kind of have it as a kickoff to spring.
And what I love about it is there's things that are consistent in them, and then there's things that you always change up. So let's go over what's happening this time.
Yeah, so the things that always happen, you guys are always there to help plant baskets.
Which,
we do.
It's a blast.
Oh yeah, we love having you guys here. So we do the create your own basket. People can pick out all the fillers and all the centerpieces that go inside of it. And then all they have to do is pay a little bit for the pot, the plant, and the soil. And then we keep it for a few weeks, and then they can come back and pick it up at the basket pickup party.
Really, the easiest way I've ever come across to actually making a hanging basket yourself.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It, and then you guys take care of it, and it's ready to go.
Yes, yep. And then it'll be ready to put out. And then we are also having a couple new things. One is a hanging basket drip irrigation kind of tutorial. Nice. And then we're going to let ladies bring back their measurements for basket pickup party, and they can put together everything. The number one complaint we have is watering baskets and how hard it is if they go on vacation.
Right.
And so we just thought we'd make it a little bit easier for people and show everybody how to do it.
And then you always have some great speaker talking about stuff. Who's that going to be?
Oh yeah, Cody from Youngbloods is going to come back again. We feature a lot of their shrubs, and there's lots of fun color this time of the year and flowering stuff that you don't usually see or think of. So.
And then you have great beverages and food
yeah,
too.
oh yeah, yep. We have our bakery going, so of course we're going to have the scones, the cookies, and all the delectables from there. We have small plates, so if you want a little bite to eat. And then we also have 8 taps, so we'll have 3 ciders, 3 hard ciders, and 5 beers on tap.
And then how do people sign up? How do we get involved with
this? They can go straight to our website, or you can go to Garden Time and they'll click you over, and they just RSVP, and then they'll get 20% off to use that whole evening.
Wonderful. So there you have it. Every year we come out here, we always have such a great time. So for more information on this, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, sign up, and get on out here and have a ladies' night that you'll never forget. Thank you so much, Stacy.
Thanks, William.